Manipur today registered 3 fresh positive cases of COVID-19. With this, the state's COVID-19 tally has reached 32. Of this, 28 are active cases, while 4 have been recovered and discharged. Isolated places over Assam and Meghalaya are likely to experience heavy rainfall within the next 5 days as per predictions by the Indian Meteorological Department (IMD). Parts of Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim and Sub-Himalayan West Bengal will also see heavy showers, the weather agency said today. Heatwave conditions are likely in a few pockets of Delhi, Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Marathwada, Rayasalima, coastal Andhra Pradesh and Yanam, Telangana and Chhattisgarh. As scientists and governments race to find a cure for the coronavirus disease COVID-19, a vaccine developed in China has been found to be safe and effective in its first test on humans, raising hope for an early candidate that could help make people immune to the viral pandemic, a major report said today. As per the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare today, there are over 1.31 lakh COVID-19 cases, including 3,867 deaths due to the infection. Across the world, the number of novel coronavirus cases has passed 5.25 million, with over 3,39,000 deaths, according to a tally from official sources compiled by AFP. Cops in Imphal East and West today detained several people for defying lockdown rules. They were travelling without curfew pass, face masks and vehicle documents. Police conducted drive at Sigjambay, Kangla Gate, Kwakaithel, Kaishampat of Imphal West. In Imphal East, frisking and checking was carried out at Konung Mamang, Kurai Lamlong, Kongba and Andro parking. PCTC oil pump today distributed rotis to customers and frontline workers fighting COVID-19. Speaking about the distribution, owner of the oil pump, Nishant Patni, said that the PCTC will provide the same to every customers and frontline workers every Tuesday and Friday from 12 noon to 2 p.m. President of All Jiribam United Clubs Association Ajuka, Maipaksana Mangang, thanked Pradhan of Hilghat Gram Panchayat Jiribam, L. Somorendra Singh, for his contribution towards COVID-19 Relief Fund. Pradhan L. Somorendra donated a sum of Rs 10,000 to Ajuka to help combat the COVID-19 pandemic. As Union government announced plan to resume domestic flight operations from Monday, several states cautioned against the resumption of operations. States including Maharashtra and West Bengal have warned against resuming flight operations from 25th March, while Tamil Nadu government is yet to take a call on it. With tensions mounting along the line of actual control following the Pangong-So clash and detection of Chinese intrusions at 3 places in the Galwan River area, Army Chief General M.M. Naravane landed Friday at the 14th Corps headquarters in Leh to review the situation in eastern Ladakh, a media report said.